Do you think the cloud is the future? And if so, should we trust it? I mean, definitely yes. It's not like people are storing things locally. It's too convenient to do otherwise. And in my opinion, as I've mentioned here in the past, convenience seems to win every single time, no matter what. Humans just select for convenience. So yes, I do think it is the future. Should we trust it is, well, that's a lot more difficult thing to address. What can you trust in this day and age? I mean, it's like you had all that stuff come out with the Snowden and this and that and spying. And does anybody trust anything? Most people I talk to will say, you know what? I recognize that I'm submitting all my data to the web. I recognize I'm out there, but what do I have to hide? That's what you hear a lot of. What can I do? I gotta be involved. I need these services, so I share my data. The privacy conversation is starting to heat up right now. You've got Apple in their marketing materials saying, hey, we're the safe ones. You want your stuff private, this is where to do it. Maybe if customers demand it, things could change in that department. As far as trust it, that's kind of vague. Like, trust it in what way? What do you have to hide? I mean, we heard about this WhatsApp hack recently in which they were able to get all kinds of access to individuals, targeted individuals, through a phone call. So, like, trusting the cloud essentially means trusting their security and trusting that they will always be a step ahead of individuals who want to break down what they've built. And so far, in my experience on this planet, it seems to be fairly evident that if you build a wall, if you build a barrier, somebody's going to try to break it. So trust, to a degree, never 100%.